So let's see with me. As we have talked before about the motion, I'm going to tell you the difference between two terms, displacement and the distance. What the difference between these two terms? For example, I want to give you an example and you should guess what the answer, okay? So I have a car and this is car being in the position A and have make a motion to the position B, then have movement to the position C and finally to the position D, okay? So the car is moved from A to B to C to D. And for counting AP 2 meter and PC 6 meter and CD is 2 meter also, okay? So the car have make me this is movement or this is motion. And I told you how much the distance that the car have made it, okay? When I ask you this is question, that I ask you about the distance. So you can calculate the distance to P, addition all of the distance that the car have made it. AP plus BC plus CD. So now we're gonna say AP plus BC plus CD. All of these are the distance that the car made it. But when I talk with you about the displacement, I mean the motion from started point and the end point. Okay, when I asked you about the displacement, I mean that I need the move from the started point or the distance between started point and the end point. Here is the letter A is consume the started point, and the letter D consume the in position. So now I have from A to B, this is called a displacement. So I think you know the difference, or I guess that you have guessed the answer for my question. So the difference between two terms, displacement and the distance or the movement or all the distance that object make it. Okay? That means the movement from start point to the end position, all the movement, we calculate all the movement that the object is doing, okay? But the